Hey guys, Glenn here. I just encountered a problem with my old Prusa Mk3s that I wanted to tell you about. It's a really quick video, but this is going to be someone's fix. I don't know why. We'll see if it holds up, but I wanted to get this out so that if you're in a kind of an emergency situation, you can continue this print, potentially, hopefully. Okay, so this print stopped. All of a sudden, it said print fan error, it said extruder fan error. So I'm going to put up the picture, and what I did was this fan stopped printing, or this fan stopped moving, and every time I pressed resume print, this fan right here, the extruder fan, okay, every time I went down to resume print, I had it started going, and then it stopped. And then it started going, and it stopped. So the way I was able to do this was I went down to resume print, and I took this duster spray, and I was able to spray this into the fan while I was pressing resume print, and it started up, and now I can finish my print. So if anyone has that issue, hopefully that solves it so that you don't ruin your entire print and your printer will keep printing. So if this helped you, please comment down below. I'd love to know if I helped somebody. By the way, this is probably just a quick fix. Usually you have something stuck in your fan, so clean out the fan if you can. In my case, it was totally clean. So most likely I'm going to have to order a fan in advance so that, when it totally gives out, which is probably the case, I'm assuming, unless it was just some weird fluke, that I can just replace that fan. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch this video next and have a great day.